Hello everyone. In this series of Power BI visuals video, now I'll discuss about the funnel. What is funnel chart? A funnel chart is used to visualize a linear process that has connected sequential stages. The value of each stage in the process is indicated by the funnel's width as it gets narrower. This type of chart can be used to highlight problem areas in an organization's process. So now we'll see in detail how we make it the funnel. So here click on the funnel icon in the visualization. Now I will adjust its size as per our convenient. Now in category we will move the subcategory, and in value you will move the cells here. Yes, now I will explain this. If we see here on the tops we have phone, chairs, storage tables, and in the down we have fasteners. Now we'll see explain how it is. If you see here at the top, value of sales is 33,007.05. That is percent of first is that is 100% here. And if you compare bottom one, that is chairs value is 328,449.10. Percent of first is 99.53 and percent of previous is 99.53%. Since here this is seconds, that's why the first and the previous is both are same here. Actually it is compared the 328,449 with the previous sales value 330.01. So I'll calculate and show you how it is. Yeah, if we see our phone's value is 330 and chairs value is 328.45. So calculate it percentage. So 99.53% here. That's why if you see cursor here, we can see the percent of first is 99.53 and percent of previous is 99.53% here. Now select other one, copiers. If you click on the copiers, it is sales value we can see 149,528 and percent of first means it's comparing this 149,528 with the top one 330.01%. That's why it is showing as 45.31. But if we compare this copier value with the accessories, it is 89.33% of the previous one. Like this it is going down, as you can see in the visuals, we are going down, the width of the means length of the visual is decreasing. At the bottom it is the lowest. So this is all about the funnel.